The smuggler was true to his word. So with the Fulcrum Star within his grasp, and without even stopping at a pub, our hero sailed off into the night. His destination? Adventure!
Jeez, laying it on a bit thick, eh, Pete?
Are you sure you want to go in there, friend? These ears have heard some mighty disturbing stories about this old island. Well, all right, but I couldn't let my favorite customer go without a little extra firepower. Now, why don't you take these weapons? I just found them floating out near Hulafar Island.
Door's open! Come on!
There it is. The Fulcrum Star! Oh, crap.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
See ya! Huh? What now?
Oh, bother.
Watch your step there, laddie. X doesn't always mark the spot.
A fair go tomorrow, young lord. I pray God preserve ye from the pythons and their bellies. And don't worry, we'll take good care of your fair Sally.
Holy Krabby Patties!
What should we do now? There's only one thing to do.
Hey there, friend. I just saw Darkwater's fleet set sail for Hulafar Island. You must have rattled his cage pretty good.